Hey, Mortgage Coach community, Dave Savage, and it is Friday. It is April, and we want to have a huge April. I'm with Nicole Solari, the digital / paperless open house queen. What's up, Nicole?
Hi, Dave. How are you?
I am good. So people are saying that it's pretty tough out there. The shift is happening. What kind of production are you doing in Q1, and what do you think you're going to do in April?
Well, I don't know about this shift nonsense. I wanna squash that rumor. We are killing it right now. We closed 17 in March, one of our slower months. We're primed to do help one family a day for the next 30 days, and our 90-day pipeline looks the same. So we're hoping to get back to 20 to 30 deals per month for Q2.
Good. So you're killing it. So I mean, there is a shift that's happening, but the reason she's not feeling it because she's riding the wave. She's not doing old school open houses. She's doing digital / paperless open houses. So, you know, there is a technology tidal wave. It's just, you know, you're going to get drowned or you're going to ride it. So remind people about, you know, what you're doing at open houses to get so many leads and crush it.
Yeah, so it's a digital open house. I think that one of the big things that differentiates myself and our agents from all the other agents out there on Saturdays and Sundays is when you walk into our open house, you know, we're welcoming, we have a great vibe. We have the iPad out. We've got, you know, the total cost analysis for anybody that walks through. We've got a lender there to help manage the traffic. We're doing giveaways. We're fun. And we're just giving information. You know, we're giving anything and everything that the consumer wants right now. And we're doing things like squashing those rumors about it being not a great market to buy and sell right now.
Yeah, I mean, and guys, it's an exciting time. I mean, spring is here, which is natural energy in almost every market in the country. Rates have dropped a little bit, natural energy. And so get out there and do open houses. And here's what I want to challenge you to do. Take a picture of your digital open house and post it down below. Nicole, are you having any open houses this weekend or anybody on your team?
Oh yeah, we have a ton of open houses this weekend, so we'll be posting some pictures for you. I think that we're hosting 5 or 6.
Okay, so guys, so I have your promise. You'll bring some of the love and some of the excitement you have coming in the market. You'll post pictures down below. Mortgage Coach community, post pictures down below. And then remember, guys, you know, Wally Elderberry threw it out there yesterday on Tuesday that he's going to give $1,000 to the mortgage coach that makes the most calls and does the most TCAs. So we're calling it the 30-10, 30 outbound calls a day, 10 total cost analysis a week. Those are minimum requirements. But the mortgage coach that does the most is going to get $1,000 from Wally, you know, first week in May. So create a bunch of TCAs for your digital open houses this weekend. And Nicole, I am looking forward to seeing you and speaking with you and sharing a stage with you at the Sacramento Association of Realtors soon. So thanks for making time.
Absolutely. Thank you, Dave.
Good. Hey, before you go, because I want to end this call with your voice and your leadership, knowing that the loan officers are going to be going out to the open houses and, you know, talking about digital open house, any advice you have for the mortgage coach community on how to approach realtors, you know, as they're out there this weekend, and any feedback?
You know, I would say I'm going to give you the same advice that I give myself to approach consumers. It's all about giving. You know, Buffini says, what you give away in slices, you get back in loaves. So show up with candy, show up with water. We get pretty bored and hungry at these open houses. And if you're showing up towards the end of the open house, I always give this tip: offer to co-help us pick up our open house signs. You will have a realtor friend for life if you bring candy and help us with open house signs.
Love it. And water and a total cost analysis, you know, and I'm going to put a link down below to the most watched call I've done with Nicole on the digital open house. So if you're hearing this and you're like, what's this all about? There'll be a link down below for you to know what this is about. Get out there, get after it, put your pictures down below. And then on Monday, let us know what kind of success you had. Nicole, thank you very much.
Thanks, Dave.
Take care, everybody. Like us, share it. Have an awesome weekend.